How can I create a course on my Moodle? When you log into your site as an administrator, you can add a new course by clicking Site Administration, Courses, Add a new course. And the list of courses is also shown on the course index page, where you have a button to add a course there as well. Note that once you've added a course and added a teacher to it, they can edit these settings by default. The full name appears in large and the short name appears in the navigation bar. You can select the category and decide whether to show the course or not. You might want to hide it while it is being worked on. And you can add a start and end date. Students won't be able to access the course before the start date, but they will be able to access it after the end date. The dates are useful for activity completion in courses. The course summary and image are shown on a course participant's dashboard, and depending on your settings, also on the front page list of courses and the course index page. See the documentation for more information. If we click Course Format, this is where we can choose how we'd like the resources to be displayed. Topics gives us numbered topic sections. We can also select to have weekly format, where the sections are named as weeks. Social format is basically one big message board for discussions, or single activity format would allow you to add just one particular item, such as a SCORM package or a quiz. If we choose topics or weekly format, we can then decide whether we want to show all the sections on one page, which is what we will do, which is the norm. But if you think you're going to have lots of sections and that would cause some scrolling, then you can choose to show only one section per page. This has an effect on how your students view your course, as we can see here in this course on a different Moodle site, Types of Sport. The first time you access it, you can see each of the sections and then grayed out on the right the activities which are in these sections. If you then click the link in the section, for example the second section, tennis, the students will only see the activities in that particular section, and they'll navigate to the other sections by clicking the name in the section on the right there or on the left, or by going to the Jump To menu and selecting from that. This is an individual setting, and it might be useful if you think your course will have lots of sections. Appearance will allow you to decide how many news items you want to show in the announcements forum. If you set it to 0, you can then delete the announcements forum from your course if you don't think it will be useful to you. Options can be explored by clicking on them and expanding them. For instance, if we click and expand role renaming, if you don't want to call students, students, but you want a different name, learners, for instance, then you can change the name within a course here, and that will appear just in this one course. You can also tag your course to help people find it. To summarize, a new course may be added from Site Administration, Courses, Add a new course, or from the course index page.